Hey, what's going on? Lisa here. So in this Leadsleap tutorial for beginners, we are going to see how to connect Aweber to Leadsleap. Okay, so this is in response to one of my viewer question here. So can you integrate Aweber into this funnel? So basically, you integrate Aweber to Leadsleap, right? So and then let's quickly get started. So this is my Aweber account here. So this is brand new. So basically, if you have the free version, you cannot create more than one list, right? So if you try to create a list here, you will be invited to upgrade, right? Okay, and this is my funnel, my Leadsleap funnel here. So the main goal here is to create an HTML of a web form of Aweber web form that will be integrated over here, right? So whenever people put their information, and then the information will be captured into Aweber. So step one to do that is to go here, pages and forms. We click here, then sign up and forms, and then create a sign up and form over here, right? Then for my website, then you will have a web form, right? Here we go. Here, let's say you want to capture more info, for example, right? So let's say a phone number. So all you need to do is to create a new custom field. You add, so save field, and here you have phone, right? So name, email, and phone, right? So it's easy. So all you need to do is create a new custom field, right? So in my case, I only want to capture name and email. So then you save your form. So everything you do, you save, and then you go to next step. So next step here, when people put their information, they will see the thank you page, right? So the thank you page, you can put the URL over here. Also, you can put an affiliate link. So for testing, take my affiliate link. So I go here, okay? So then I saved. We go to step 3, right? So here we have two options. I will install my form and use my form as a landing page. But in my case, I want to install the form myself, right? So I click here. Then I have the JavaScript and then the HTML version. So what we need is the raw HTML version. I click over here. I copy the HTML code, and then I go back to my page builder, right? So number one, we have templates. Number two, we have list. That's where we want to click, right? We click on list. Then we want to use a third-party autoresponder or third-party list manager, and then we import from details, right? And our details is simply the HTML code that we have copied from Aweber, right? And then we import this form. We click on OK. So here we have Aweber. That's good. And then we save. After saving, of course, we need to test our work, right? So we save, and let's quickly do a preview in order to test. Then I will grab my test email for this example. I put my email, name, right? Submit. I have my affiliate link over here, nice and clean, right? And then I go back to Aweber. I go to subscribers, right? Click on subscriber. Let's see if it's working. Here we go. My name and my test email, right? So it's working. So pending here with Aweber, we need to go. You have to go to your Gmail account and confirm that you want to subscribe to the email list, right? So it's double opt-in. So in order to remove the double opt-in, all you need to do is to upgrade to the pay version, right? So if you upgrade to the pay version, of course you have the option to deactivate the double opt-in so that people can automatically be in your list. So, with that being said, I hope you had value with this Leadsleap training, and yeah, so on that note, see you in the next video.